Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make money with just your voice. Just imagine making money with your voice. So you go to voices.com, you just log in. Yeah, once you're logged in, and then you can strictly go straight to the account and then you log in. Yeah, once you log in, it ready you to search a price. So that's why you go freelancerjobs.com, work from home. Then click on that link. It will direct you to the website that you can make money with your voice. So you can see you can make money with voiceover, audio production, music translation, and other services on this website, guys. So just sign up, and then also in this website, you just sign up, you complete your profile, and then you're ready to go to start making money online. It's quite simple, guys. As simple as such. You can log in and see the kind of service they offer. You can build your business and many more services these guys are offering. And number two, that the amount of money you can make is unlimited. They've got flexible payment methods like PayPal, wire transfer, voiceover, all those payments which are very flexible and many areas. So you look the area in which you have expertise. If you're a voiceover artist, you can do audio production, you can do music, you can do translation, all those. Once you're in there, and then you can ready. So you can see the procedure. You create a profile, apply to jobs, get hired, do the work, get paid, and it's guaranteed. Like it's genuine, guys. Like they know it's not fake, like other sites where you just register, you log in. Those guys, they expose you to rigorous tests. You have to do a test, they have to give you a feedback. I mean, this one, you just create your profile. Once you've created your profile, you straightly go to the website, you begin applying for jobs. Once you apply for jobs, and then you're ready to go. So you can see the frequently asked questions like how do I get hired as a freelancer. They're out there. Like what kind of freelance work can I do? How much money can I make as a freelancer? The amount of money you can make on this website is unlimited. It's not limited to one thing, guys. So you just log in, and then so all those questions have been answered. Just check in how far, how much it does cost to use voices. It doesn't cost anything, but you have to pay some membership fee to enable you keep on applying jobs. It's like Upwork, where you buy connects to apply for jobs or bid for jobs. This one you offer. So you can go directly, you hire talent for projects, find work as talents. So in our case, you can find work as a talent. So you just check if your project, maybe our project, you can go there. So let's sign up. Once we sign up, that's my full name. I'm Ondari. Yeah, I write my email. You can write your password. Let's write a password. You can agree to terms and services. Agree to terms and services. Agree to terms and services. Yeah, let's log in. Continue. It's processing. Let's log in. Number one, you need to fill for your email address. They will send you a confirmation link that you can click on your email. Once you've clicked, it will directly read you the message. So what we do, I go to my email. Once I've gone to my email, then I'll have to confirm the link to ensure that it's a very genuine link. So let me log into my email and confirm the link. Once it's linked up, then you can see how it goes. Sure, let me link in. So you go there. I'm just opening my email to get my link. Yeah, guys, then you confirm your email address. You have to verify. Yeah, once your email is verified, and then you can be able to log in and then start working on that. So you can go direct to complete your profile. So it will take you there. Complete your free account setup, man. And once you go there, you just click in. Okay, you can log in. Already I'm logged in, so you can see. Let's click in and see how it works, guys. So you straightly go to the complete your free account setup. You can fill out the details where you come from, your address, the city, the country, the state, the postal code, all those details that they may require you to do. So let's fill an address. Once my address is filled up, then you can straight you go to the account setup, guys. So you can fill your city, the country you come from, the location, the postal code. You can fill all those details, then you can submit. Yeah, then you go to filing details, you will put your phone number, and then you submit. It's ready to another page which you're going to complete your profile to showcase your skills. You're welcome to Voices. Now get started. Now the next thing is to complete your profile, your personal information about me, your first name, last name, letter of a fee, which is very straightforward. All those details that you may require that's to make you very easy. You can overview about your portfolio, what you do. Are you a voice of artist? Can you do anything? You can list. Now you move to the next step. You can now they're showing you the steps how this platform works. So after completing your profile, and then you get paid, which is guaranteed, and then you move to the next step. Now building online reputation. So building your reputation is about keeping your profile and create a profile. You can select your service and skills, the skills you are knowledgeable in, or things you're quite knowledgeable about. So you can add services and skills. Yeah, you can voice over, audio production. You can move on to the next. You can complete your profile. Very straightforward, guys. So you can see our voiceover. We have animation, we have documentalist, internet video. The things you can do voiceover, you can say maybe let's say documentalist, animation. I can also choose another one called broadcasting. Another one I can use radio. Another skill which I can use television or the telephone. I can use videographies. Also, you have to highlight your skills and services. So you can go to another skill which you can do. You can say I can do music production, and the music production or audio production, and audio production. Then you can set your skills. So you can say the one has been disabled. You can select. You have audio editing. You can select a skill like let's say sound design. You can choose audio mining. Then you can continue adding other services which you think you can do your best. You can say let's say music. Under music I can select jingles, can select competition. So many skills which you can choose depending on your area of expertise. But now when you be applying for jobs, and so you ensure you apply for jobs which you feel you're most qualified to do. The jobs that you feel you're qualified enough to handle them, and you're ready to go. You can select your language. If it's English, you can select target audience, the language you want to translate. For instance, I've chosen English to Swahili, which I'm conversant with. And then you can also choose another language. If you have another additional translation skills, can be English to French, English to German. It depends what you can do on this website, guys. So the next thing is to move on, edit your profile. You can edit later. Now you can check out jobs that are available on this website, guys, and they really pay very good amount of money. For instance, this guy is looking for a Christmas nutcracker, and is willing to pay $400 for this job. Another one is willing to pay a lot of money, $500. Dash the Linda is willing to pay that guy. And just a very simple test, and you're ready to go. Yeah, these jobs are highlight your skills that you feel you're knowledgeable in. So you can see it's a very good website where you can make some good amount of money and some good assets that you can do to continue improving and making some good amount of money, guys. So you can see it's a very very good job. You can see this guy is looking for a short broadcast editing, and is ready to pay from $1 to $99. So a very simple task, and this guy will just pay you some good amount of money. We have this guy is looking for somebody knowledgeable in internet video. I mean, it's all guys the best. So this website you can make some good amount of money if you're very serious about it. Just using your voice over to get more jobs which the clients may need you to do and make some good amount of money, guys. So that is it, guys. All the best, and I'm hoping, guys, you'll check out this website. And if you're very serious about it, you can log in, you can register. It's free to register, and then once you're there, you can apply for jobs, and then you're all the way to smiling. Thank you, guys. See you back in another video.